Today, me, Emma, and Kate are doing a really fun activity.
Waxy squishies!
But we are using hot wax, so if you're trying this at home, make sure to ask an adult for help. You ready to get started?
Yeah!
So we are going to be taking some of our very favorite squishies, covering them in wax, and then once that wax dries, we're going to crunch them.
Whoa!
It's gonna be so fun. Why don't you pick out your favorite squishy?
The strawberry.
The strawberry, that's a great pick. Okay, and Emma?
Mango.
Mango. Mango and strawberry. You want to cover those?
Yeah. First, let's do a squeeze test. Ooh. 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 And the strawberry one. We also want to do these ones. Ooh, this one's hard. And this one's really soft. This one's like cheese. I love the butter.
All right, strawberry time. Are you all ready?
Butter!
Are you excited at least?
Yeah!
All right, so we're gonna carefully dip it into the wax.
Oh.
As far as we can get it to go. See, the thing with this though is that we're going to have to do it in layers to make it the most crunchy. Okay, so we're gonna let that dry.
It looks like tanghulu. Tanghulu with marshmallows.
Let's see, what do you think the best way to dip the mango is? Maybe sideways?
Yeah.
Or that way?
That way.
Sideways?
Yeah.
Oh, let's try to dunk it a little bit.
Don't burn your fingers.
That's okay, that's why I'm wearing gloves. See?
Oh, yeah.
Safety first. All right.
Whoa! It's
So let
glossy.
that side dry. All right. French fry time?
French fries!
All right. This is actually really, really fun. Just
I wish
dunk
I could
it
do it.
down.
I know how it shucks.
Ooh, it's getting slippery.
Whoa.
Oh no. Okay, that's okay. That's why we have our handy dandy tongs always ready. Dun 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 dun.
Whoa, it's
Let
so
it
glossy. It's glossy.
All right, which one's next?
This dude. Right.
This one, we have Red Titan.
Right.
Face first?
Yeah.
Face first. Ooh. Oh, he's heavy. Look, he just sinks right in there.
Oh, God. He looks like tanghulu.
Maybe his new power is the power of wax.
Maybe. He was dipped in marshmallow.
All right, which one's next? The cheese. Dun, dun, dun,
What?
dun, dun.
Whoa.
I think this one's going to take a lot of dunking.
Whoa.
That's pretty good. We might have to do that one extra time.
We have to
And the butter.
rainbow one.
I think we can go all the way around on this one. Let's try it.
Yeah.
What is your favorite type of squishy?
Mine's slow rising. And mine is fast rising.
You like the fast rising ones?
Yeah.
All right. I think this guy is good. Let's pull him out with the tongs. Dun dun dun.
Looks like butter covered in marshmallows. Yeah.
Covered in marshmallows. Those are pretty good. All right, let's go for the strawberry. Now we gotta dunk the top of it. See if we can get it.
Dip.
And actually, I'm just gonna roll it around. It's fine.
Roly poly. Roly poly.
Oh, okay.
Whoa.
Oh, all right. Mango, take two. We gotta get the other side of it without cracking the first side.
Mango. The mango sounds the best in my opinion.
You like the mango the best?
Yeah. I like the
Ooh.
cheese the best.
This is so much fun, right?
Yeah.
But do you know why the wax hardens as it dries?
No. Why?
Oh, I'll tell you. So wax at room temperature is solid. And in fact, this is the same type of wax you'd see in a candle. But just like a candle, when wax is solid at room temperature, its tiny particles are packed closely together, which helps it keep its shape. But when we apply heat to the wax, those particles start moving faster and faster, and soon the wax melts into a liquid that can easily flow around our squishy toys. All right, so we have all of our squishies covered in wax. Now for the maximum crunch, we need it to cool, so we're gonna put it in the fridge. Be right back. By dipping the squishy toy again and again, we're building up more layers of wax, and that creates the crunchy coating on the outside while the toy stays soft and squishy on the inside. All right, you guys ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so pick your first squishy that you want to crunch.
This one.
That one?
Yeah. Our squishies are ready to crunch. That was really good, but it was super fast. Crunch rating, 6 out of 10.
6 out of 10?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see what Peck is then.
Yeah. sounds really good, but it was really hard to crunch.
Yeah, the strawberry was a lot easier, right?
Yeah.
I wonder if that's because it's more fluid filled, whereas this one is one of the slow rise.
So why is this squishy wax trend so viral and so satisfying? The answer is actually in the science. See, when you squish something soft, your skin and muscles send signals to your brain, and many people find those signals calming and enjoyable. The crunchy sounds from the wax shell can be satisfying too. Sounds like cracking and crunching and squishing grab our attention because they're interesting and easy for our brains to notice. This is all part of something called ASMR, which stands for Autonomous Sensory Meridian Response. Some people feel relaxed or happy when they hear gentle and repetitive sounds. That's one reason why squishy videos are so popular online. They combine fun sounds, cool texture, and the surprise of watching something crunch and squish all at the same time. And now, let's get back to our ASMR squishing.
Crunch rating 5.9 out of 10.
5.9? Well, what do you think is going to be a 10 out of 10?
This one.
That one? Are you sure?
This one. This
That
mango. Yeah, mango.
Okay, let's see.
That was really good. That sounded really amazing too.
Yeah.
Crunch rating 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10? So the cheese, that's where it's at. That is so satisfying, right?
Yeah.
All right, let's check out the mango. Do you think that the mango is going to be as satisfying as the cheese?
Yeah.
All right, only one way to find out.
Best squishy I've ever squished.
Best squishy. So I think that this one actually so far has had the loudest first squish,
Yeah.
but this one was crunchier for longer.
Oh yeah.
What do you think?
1 billion out of 10.
1 billion out of 10. I think it's just because you really like the mango.
I'm going to do this one.
The French fries?
I like
That's the one you said that was hard to squish. So what do you think is gonna happen when you try?
It's gonna be a little hard.
It's gonna be hard. Do you think that'll give it a better crunch?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. Maybe like peck.
Okay.
Maybe it's gonna be.
I don't know. Let's listen. Ready? Oh.
Okay, that was really hard to squish. I would give it a 3 out of 10.
Nowhere near as good as a cheese. I think because it's hard to squish, it didn't crack as, this one, cracked so good. I think it didn't crack very well because the squishy is really hard to squish.
Yeah, my butter. Squishiness rating. I like the first crack. So
The first crack was great.
8 out of 10.
8 out of
8 out of
10. So that one was really satisfying in the beginning, I could tell, but then it kind of phased off after that.
Yeah.
All right, what do you want to do next?
I'm gonna do this butter.
The butter,
What are you gonna do, Emma? The mouth.
the teeth,
Yeah.
Granny's teeth covered in wax.
Yeah.
All right, let's see.
3, 2, 1. Whoa. This one is good. That one was actually good.
Oh, that one, yes. It had a way louder first crunch.
Yeah. We just faded off. 120 billion out of 10.
20 billion out of 10.
11 out of 10, and this one's a 7 out of 10. I have a loaf of bread. I have a lemon. Squishiness rating a 9.5 out of 10. The loaf of bread was really fast, and only the first crunch was good, so maybe I would say 6.7 out of 10.
6.7, such an accurate rating. All right, what's next?
Disgusting.
Oh!
And this Ryan's World Squishy.
I have a feeling these are gonna be really cool. Okay, let's listen. That's not the sound of wax cracking.
Whoa. Whoa. Gust time. What?
10 out of 10?
Squishiness rating 9.5 out of 10.
I feel like those were both very satisfying. Plus they had like the extra, like that sound as well. Those are nice. Okay guys, what about the bread versus pizza?
Time for the bigger loaf of bread. And next, the pizza. This was super hard to squish. 1 out of 10. This was really good and it lasted a little bit longer, so 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. All right, guys. Well, there's only one left, and it is this one. And I think this one needs at least 4 hands to squish. What do you think?
We have 4 hands.
You have exactly 4 hands. What a coincidence!
Yeah.
All right. So for our grand finale, we're gonna do versus giant squishy. I'm pretty sure I know which one of these is going to be
Mini.
the more satisfying one. But let's get started.
Can
All
I
right,
help?
ready?
Can I help?
Maybe. I might need the help. Okay, ready? And that's it.
Time for the next one. What? There's so much layers. Wow. Oh, look at the sides. We're going to crush it for the sides. Side. Hit it with the elbow. Squishiness rating 1,000,000,000,000,000 out of 10. Squishiness rating infinity out of 10.
Infinity. Wait, so you're trying to tell me that this giant squishy was way more satisfying than this?
Yeah!
My little tiny lava lamp?
Yeah!
Ah. Okay, so which one was your ultimate favorite squishy?
This one.
That one? Ah, you and the mango.
I like the small.
That is a good choice, but there were some really good ones. Like this roll was actually pretty good too. Yeah? Did you guys have fun?
Yeah!
All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more fun content. And we'll see you next time with more fun from your favorite lab assistant, Neon. Bye!